हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू द फार्मास्टार एकेडमी। तो कल के वीडियो में हमने अपकमिंग गवर्नमेंट फार्मेसी जीपैट ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर एग्जाम के ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी इस टॉपिक के कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखे थे पार्ट फर्स्ट में। तो आज हम बाकी क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं पार्ट टू में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दी क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ अ टेंडन? ऑप्शन ए लिंक मसल टू बोन्स, लिंक मसल टू लिगामेंट्स, लिंक बोन टू बोन्स, डी बाइंड बोन सेल्स टुगेदर। Link muscle to bones. This is the primary function of a tendons. They are tough, fibrous cords of connective tissue that transmit the force generated by muscle contractions to the bones, enabling movement. Link muscle to ligaments. While tendons cross joints to reach the bone, their anatomical connections is specifically between the muscle belly and the bone. Link muscle bones to bones. This is the function of ligaments, not tendons. Ligaments provide stability to joints by holding bones together. Bind bone cells together. Bone cells, osteocytes, are held together by a mineralized extracellular matrix consisting of collagen and minerals like calcium phosphate, not by tendons. The correct answer is the option A. The next question. Approximately how many skeleton muscles are in the human body? Option A 1000, B 600, C 100, D 60. The correct answer is the option B 600. The human body contains over 600 skeletal muscles. These muscles are attached to the skeletal and are responsible for voluntary movements like walking, lifting and talking. The correct answer is the B 600. Next question. Muscles are made of group of cells called option A fibrous, B calcium, C silica, D phosphorus. The correct answer is the option A fibers. Muscles are composed of thousands of fibers, muscle cells also known as muscle fibers. Correct answer is option A. Next question. These are dash cranial bones and facial bones in the adult skull. Option A 6, 10, B 8, 14, C 12, 12, D 5, 9. The adult human skull consists of 8 cranial bones that protect the brain and 14 facial bones that form the structure of the face. Therefore, the correct option is B 8, 14. Next question. A structure composed of two or more tissues is termed option A organ, B serous membrane, C complex tissue, D organ system. The correct answer is the option A organ. Organ is defined as a structure composed of at least two or more different types of tissues that work together to perform specific physiological functions for the body. The next question is the visceral pleura. Option A membrane lining surface of lungs, B membrane lining thoracic cavity wall, C fluid around lungs, D thinnest portion of peritoneum. The correct answer is the option A membrane lining surface of the lungs. The visceral pleura is the delicate innermost serous membrane that adheres directly to the outer surface of the lungs, extending into the fissures between the lobes. Next question. The anatomical position is characterized by all except option A palms facing posterior, B thumbs pointing laterally, C face pointing anteriorly, D body standing upright. The correct answer is option A palm facing posterior. In the anatomical position, body stands upright, face points anteriorly, thumbs points laterally, palm face anteriorly, not posteriorly. The correct answer is the option A. Next question. The basic unit of life is option A atom, B water, C cell, D chemical level of organization. The correct answer is cell. The cell is defined as the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. It is the smallest unit of life capable performing all essential life processes such as metabolism, reproduction and response to the environment. The correct answer is the option C cell. Next question. A vertical plane dividing body into right and left is option A sagittal, B lateral, C transverse, D frontal. The correct answer is the option A sagittal. Sagittal plane is a vertical plane that passes through the body from front to back, dividing it into right and left sections. Lateral, this is a direction term, not a primary anatomic plane. It describes a positional further from the middle line of the body. C. Transverse. This is horizontal plane that divides the body into upper and lower portion. D. Frontal, also known as the coronal plane. This is the vertical plane that divides the body into front and back parts. That's why the correct answer is the option A. The heart is dashed to the lungs. Option A. Superior. B. Dorsal. C. Medial. D. Lateral. The correct answer is the option C. Medial. The heart is located between the lungs, so it is medial to the lungs. Next question. Histology is the study of option A. Cells and membranes. B. Skin. C. Organ and organ system. D. Tissue. The correct answer is the option D. Tissues. Histology is the study of the microscopic structure of tissues. Next question. What is the mitosis? Option A. Cell covering. B. Protection from UV. C. Elimination of toxins. D. Multiplication of cells. The correct answer is the option D. Mitosis is the process in which one cell divides to form two identical daughter cells, helping in growth and repair of the body. The correct answer is the option D. तो स्टूडेंट्स फार्मास्टार लाया है जीपैट ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर गवर्नमेंट फार्मासिस्ट कॉम्बो ऑफर. डाउनलोड द फार्मास्टार academy and join the batch. Next question. How is the lymph drained back into bloodstream? Option A. Lymphatic capillaries. B. Spleen. C. Lymph nodes. D. Lymphatic ducts. The correct answer is the option D. Lymphatic ducts. Lymph is drained back into the bloodstream through the lymphatic ducts. Right lump ducts and thoracic ducts. The option is D. Next question. Gap junctions in cardiac muscle allow rapid passage of option A. Water. B. Calcium. C. Action potential. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is the option C. Action potential. In cardiac muscle, gap junctions are specialized protein channels located within intercalated disc allow for the direct and rapid spread of action potentials from one cell to the another. Next question. Which valve prevent backflow of blood into left atrium? Option A. Aortic valve. B. Pulmonary valve. C. Mitral valve. D. Tricuspid valve. The mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve, is the correct choice because it is located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Its primary function is to allow oxygenated blood flow into the ventricle and then close during ventricular contraction to prevent blood from leaking back into the left atrium. That's why the correct answer is option C, mitral valve. Next question. Ability of cardiac cells to create their own action potentials is called option A. Spontaneity. B. Reflexivity. C. Mechanicity. D. Automaticity. The correct answer is the automaticity. Automaticity is the unique characteristic of specialized cardiac cells, primary pacemaker cells in the sinoatrial node, to spontaneously generate their own electrical impulses without external nerve stimulation. The correct answer is the option D, automaticity. The next question. Parasympathetic innervation of heart occurs via option A. Cranial nerve 4 trochlear. B. Cranial nerve 6 abducens. C. Cranial nerve 10 vagus. D. Cranial nerve 12 hypoglossal. The correct answer is the cranial nerve X vagus. Option C. Vagus nerve is the primary nerve of the parasympathetic nervous system. It provides parasympathetic innervation to the heart, slowing down the heart rate and decreasing the force of heart contraction. Next question. Respiratory tract is lined with option A. Simple squamous epithelium. B. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. C. Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. D. Simple ciliated columnar epithelium. This is the simple squamous epithelium. This is found only at the very end of the respiratory tract in the alveoli, air sacs, to facilitate gas exchange. While it is the part of the respiratory system, it does not line the tract in the way the conducting portions do. B. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. This type of tissue is rare in the human body and typically found in the duct of sweat glands or mammary glands, not the respiratory tract. C. Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, often called respiratory epithelium. This tissue lines the upper respiratory tract and larger conducting tubes such as the trachea and bronchi. It features cilia that moves mucus to trap and remove debris. D. Simple ciliated columnar epithelium. As the respiratory tubes get smaller, the epithelium thins out from pseudostratified to simple columnar and eventually simple cuboidal. That's why the correct answer is the option C, pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Next question. Hemoglobin is a option A, carbohydrate, B, antibody, C, white blood cell, D, protein. The correct answer is the option D, protein. The hemoglobin is an iron-rich oxygen-carrying protein found in red blood. The correct answer is the option D. Next question. Functional unit of kidney. Option A, vasa recta, B, nephron, C, ureters, D, glomerulus. The nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Each human kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons, which are responsible for filtering the blood, reabsorbing essential nutrients and producing urine. That's why the correct answer is the option B. The next question. Blood is liquid connective tissue. Option A, true, B, false. Blood is classified as a fluid connective tissue. Like other connective tissues, it originates from the mesoderm and consists of cells, RBC, WBC and platelets, suspended in specialized and extracellular matrix, which in blood is the liquid plasma. The correct answer is the option A, true. Next question. Fibrocartilage is the strongest cartilage. Option A, true, B, false. Fibrocartilage is the strongest cartilage, toughest and strongest type of cartilage. It contains dense bundles of type 1st collagen fibers, making it highly resistant to heavy compression and stress. You can find it in high stress areas of the body, such as intervertebral disc and the menisci of the knees. The correct answer is the option A, true. Next question. Transitional epithelium is rigid and unable to stretch. Option A, true, B, false. Transitional epithelium is specifically adapted to stretch, distend and recoil without being damaged, found exclusively in the urinary tract like bladder and ureters. These specialized cells flatten and unfold as the organ fills with the fluid, allowing to expand. The correct answer is the option B, false. Next question. The next question. The skin is also known as the integumentary system. Option A, true, B, false. The skin is the primary and largest organ of the integumentary system, which also includes accessory structures like hair, nails and glands. Because it acts as the body outer covering, integument literally translates to a body's outer covering. The correct answer is the option A, true. Next question. Cerebrospinal fluid cushions the brain and spinal cord. Option A, true, B, false. Cerebrospinal fluid is a clear watery liquid that surrounds, supports and cushions the brain and spinal cord within the skull and spinal canal. It acts as a shock absorber to protect the central nervous system from trauma while also providing buoyancy and delivering essential nutrients. The correct answer is the option A, true. So ये सब क्वेश्चंस तुम्हारे फार्मेसी ऑफिसर, गवर्नमेंट फार्मासिस्ट, जीपैट, ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर एग्जाम पॉइंट व्यू से मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इफ़ यू लुकिंग फॉर फार्मेसी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन, सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. सो थैंक यू. वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. धन्यवाद.